Adventure and Imagination. The Singing Stones by the River. By the tranquil river's edge, where sunlight danced among willow leaves, lived a curious little girl named May. One sunny Sunday, she discovered the ancient stones near the old stone bridge could sing. May cautiously approached the stone, her heart filled with wonder. As she touched it gently, a beautiful melody filled the air. The stones around them began to join in harmony. This mysterious discovery sparked May's imagination like never before. The days that followed were full of adventure and exploration as May mapped out the stones' harmonious locations. She began to uncover hidden stories etched into these magical stones, each revealing tales from the river's past. Through her art, May captured these wondrous discoveries and brought them to life for others to experience. The villagers grew curious about her discoveries, and many joined in her quest for more singing stones. As more joined her quest, the group grew larger, with each new friend eager to uncover the secrets of the singing stones. Together they ventured deep into the forest and across the old stone bridge. The group stood in awe as the stones began to sing in unison, their melodies echoing through the valley. They realized these songs told a tale of unity, friendship, and understanding, values that resonated deeply with each of them. As word of their discovery spread, more people came to witness the magic of the singing stones. With each visit, they learned something new, that when united, even the smallest voices could create the most beautiful symphony. One day, as they sat by the river, an idea came to them: to create a musical festival where people from near and far could gather and learn the stories of the stones. With joyful anticipation, they prepared for this event. The day of the festival arrived, and the village was alive with energy and excitement. The riverbank was filled with people from all walks of life, eagerly awaiting the magic of the singing stones. And then, the first stone sang. As each stone began to sing, a symphony filled the valley, one that brought joy, tears, and laughter. People danced and sang along, their hearts united by the magic of the stones. It was a day they would never forget. As the sun began to set, there remained one stone silent. The group huddled together, their hearts beating with anticipation as they listened intently. And then it sang, a melody unlike any other, filled with hope and dreams. As they walked home that night, May's friends looked back at the river, their hearts filled with gratitude for this magical adventure. They realized that the true power of the singing stones was not just in their music, but in the unity and friendship they had forged along the way.